Hey guys, it's Chris, being a craftsman. I want to share with you a quick tip on when you're pulling nails out of a board. Okay, so it's real easy when you're doing something with a board and you're trying to take out some nails. Most people go quickly to just grabbing your claw hammer and just putting it on there and yanking it out. Well, a lot of times you might lose the head of the nail, especially if it's old and rusty, and then you're stuck with this spike in there, and sometimes it's easier just jam it into wood. But if you're using the wood for a project, you don't want the nail in there. So what I recommend is picking up one of these horseshoe clippers. I got this at a flea market for about 10 bucks. And what this will do is you can actually reach in there, grab it right at the wood, and then squeeze it pretty good and just pull it out. And all that's going to do is it keeps you from pulling on the head of the nail, and you're actually kind of pinching it right there at the base where it's just barely protruding out of the wood. And I have done this for a long time now, never once have had a problem using that. So that's my quick tip for you today. When you're removing nails, use a horseshoe clipper, not a hammer. I'll put a link in the description to one of these, and if you want to, go ahead and buy it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Got some nails to pull.